Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics questions on different levels, I am here for the same. Today in this video, I am going to solve exercise 6.2 chapter algebraic expressions class 8 publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan question number 4. So earlier we have discussed about the identity which is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, and we have seen that how to calculate the questions related to these identities. Now in question number 4 we will solve about the identity a plus b and a minus b, which is always equal to a square minus b square. So I am writing a plus b and a minus b, which is always equal to a square minus b square. So based on these identity we will solve all the parts of question number 4 today. If you guys want to see the solutions of each of the question of each of the chapter of each of the exercise of exponents, square and square roots, algebraic expressions, earlier exercises and rational numbers, you can go by the description box where all the links has been given. So let's start with question number 4, first part. Here y plus 4 and y minus 4 is given. So how would we solve it? We will use this identity a square minus b square. That is, a is y here and b is 4 here. So we will write y square minus 4 square. So y square would be y square only and 4 square would become 16. That would be our answer. Now let's move to the second part, which is 3y plus 2z and 3y minus 2z. So following this identity only we will go further. That is a square, which is 3y square minus 2z square, which is b square. So 3y square would become 9y square and 2z square would become 4z square, which would be our answer. Now come to the third part. Third part is 9z plus 2 and 9z minus 2. So a square, that is 9z square, minus b square, that is 2 square. So 9z square would become 81z square and 4 square would become 4. 2 square would become 4, which is our answer. Now come to the fourth part. So the fourth part is 6x square plus 5y and 6x square minus 5y. So that would be equal to a square minus b square, which means 6x square whole square. Square is already given, so we will assume a as 6x square minus b is 5y, 5y square. So it would become 36 x raised to the power 4 minus 25 y square. That would be our answer of fourth part of question number 4, exercise 6.2, chapter algebraic expressions, publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan, class 8. So let's move to the fifth part. So the fifth part is 2x square plus 3 by 7y, 2x square minus 3 by 7y. So 2x square whole square, that is a square, minus 3 by 7 y square, that is b square. So it would be equal to 2 2s are 4, x raised to the power 4, minus 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 49 y square. That would be our answer. Let's move to the sixth part. Sixth part is 1 by t square plus 1 by p and 1 by t square minus 1 by p. So in here 1 by t square would be a and 1 by p would be b. So how would we solve it? 1 by t square whole square minus 1 by p square. So 1 square would become 1 only and t square whole square would become t raised to the power 4 minus 1 square would become 1 only and p square would become p square. That would be our answer. So answer for sixth part of question number 4 is 1 by t raised to the power 4 minus 1 by p square. Now let's move to the seventh part. So the seventh part is 3x square plus 2 by 5 y square and 3x square minus 2 by 5 y square. So follow the steps, that is a square that would be equal to 3x square whole square minus b square that would be equal to 2 by 5 y square whole square. So 3 into 3 would become 9x square whole square would become x raised to the power 4 and 2 by 5 would become 4 by 25 and y square whole square would become y raised to the power 4. So that would be the answer of seventh part. Now let's move to the eighth and ninth part. So the eighth part is a plus 1 by a and a minus 1 by a. So that would be equal to a square minus 1 by a square. So it would become a square minus 1 square would be 1 only and a square would become a square. So our answer would be a square minus 1 by a square for eighth part of question number 4. Now move to the last part, which is ninth part. So the ninth part is 2a square plus 3ab square and 2a square minus 3ab square. So here a square would become 2a square whole square minus 3ab square would become b square, that is 3ab square whole square. So 2 2s are 4, a raised to the power 4 minus 3 3s are 9, a square and b raised to the power 4. That would be our answer. So this was the question number 4 of algebraic expression chapter, exercise 6.2, publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan. So still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me by comment into the comment box. And if you like my videos or if it is somewhere helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel, share as much as possible and hit the like button. In my next video, I will be solving exercise 6.2, question number 5 and 6. Thank you so much.